Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in this particular video we're going to learn about how to we will add a new data set here. I will teach you how to rename a column, then we will talk about how to rename a table, then how we can extract date from the particular data sets that we are going to load here, and follow up with this video we have another video. On that video I will talk more about what is QVD and how we can convert this data into QVD files so that the uploading process can be much more enhanced. So I will talk more about QVD because it's an advanced feature of this QlikView. So yes, let's go ahead with this. So I have a sales data that I already have present. So if you want to use that data, I will put that data in my GitHub so that you can use that data for your purpose also. So what the same process, press Ctrl E. So once you press Ctrl E, then the edit script will be in front of you. So what you can do is either you can add your data code here in below of this, just to be clean, because I just want it to be clean. Just go to tab section, add a new tab, and inside the tab we can just write sales. So just for clarity, just for consistency and just for clear screen, I just wanted to add a new tab here. What you can do is just go to this file tab, because I am just going to load Excel file, so it's a sales data. Just click this, open it. QlikView is smart enough to just do everything, it is delimited by comma, and embedded label is already there and everything. So yeah, so in this video we can talk more about how you can just data transformation and everything. So instead of QVD, I can do one thing. In the next video I can talk more about how to transform data while loading, so that we can learn more about data transformation while loading. So yes, just directly, if you see region, country, everything just looks fine. How do I need it? So just click finish, and when you finish it, now you can see that all the code is loaded. So I just want to rename this table as sales. So on the top of it, just write sales and put a colon. So this will rename the table. This is how you rename a table. And just if you put double slash, it means that it is a comment. So I can just write a comment that it is the name of the table. So this is how you can give the table name. Now the second being how to rename a column. So if you see here, this are in square bracket, but this is not in square bracket because we have a space here. So instead of if you don't want to use sales channel, I just wanted to use name as channel, just write space AS. It's basically like a SQL command only. Just write channel, CHANNEL. So whatever name you give after as, so it will rename this part as channel now, and this whole table as sales now. What if you don't give this name sales? So if you don't give this name sales, it will take the name of itself, sales data.csv name is there, so it will use the table name as sales data. So yes, now the second thing, first thing we have completed how to rename a table. Second thing is how to rename a column, and the third one, let's extract date thing. So now you can see that we have ordered date as a date thing. So what we can do is just put go in front and write date of, put function bracket date of this as, what we want to do is we want to put it as a date. So as instead of ordered date, ordered date will be fine. So I just don't want any space. Rather than space, I just want this underscore, so it will do the same work. Now let's extract the year also here. So what you can do is just write year of, then put this bracket and same order date. So the first thing is we have renamed this thing. So what you can do is just let's not rename it first. Let's remove this. Just we want to keep year and month and date. So what you can do is year of this as order year, comma, press enter. If you want to extract the month, just write month month of the same thing, and close bracket as month, sorry, order month, order, yes. Now if you want to retain the date also, just write date of same thing, date of this as the same thing, it will do the same. What we are doing, we are extracting year, we are extracting month from the order date, so that we can use as a filter in the upcoming videos. And so yes, the QlikView is smart enough to generate all the code from where it is loading. So this is the location where it is loading from, and all the column names and everything is loaded. So this is the command to rename a column. So this is the command to extract date, month and year. So this is how you can extract everything. So I guess it's look fine. So just let's save it and just reload it. So we can see order date is not found. Okay. Okay, I guess it's an error here. What we can do is order of date is the column, so we will just let it here, order of date. Yes, so this column will already be there, order date, and we are just not renaming anything here. I guess that should work. Just put date in front of it so that QlikView can identify this as a date column, and I hope this will work. So let's do this. So it's showing, I guess we have missed any brackets here. I guess if you see here, yeah, you can see, right, this is one extra bracket. So you must be very careful while writing this, because even a single bracket can cause a lot of problems. Just let's save it and let's reload it. So this is 10,000 data set, 10,000 lines. So this is now everything is loaded. Again, if you want to see the data, press Ctrl E, just go to this table section. You can see this is the sales data that we have. So right click it and preview it. Now you can see this, everything is, now you can see this, the date is this one, and this is date of order, order year, order month. And what we can do, we can extract date also from here, like 1st, 12th. So what we can do is, let's do it right now. Let's rename. Okay, instead of writing it here, what I can do is I can write it after this, and here I can do date of not date, sorry, day of order date. So it's a double bracket as order day, and just rename it as order date. Everything look nice. Let's reload it now. Yep, everything is perfect. And let's go back here to table Control T, and if you preview it, so this is now order year, order month, order date, and this is the order date. So order day is 27th, so 27th is extracted, 28, 13, 1, 27, 10. So this is exactly what we needed. So I hope this helped you, and in this video we have learned about how to rename everything, how to extract date. So by using this you can create a calendar sort of filter. So we'll learn more about this in the further video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.